Hi guys,
my Mime.
and this is Myrella. Okay, for today's kwentuhan, I have a surprise question for Rella, so we can check how smart she is. If we will go to the mall, and I am giving you one chance to buy a toy, okay lang kahit gaano ka-expensive.
Barbie doll.
Ano question ko? So, I'm giving you one chance. What toy would you buy? So, your answer is a Barbie doll. Okay. Kahit may mga Barbie doll ka na. Kahit ang dami mo ng dolls.
Parang siya, sobrang daming Barbie doll.
Okay lang naman. So, you will choose Barbie doll? Bakit? How many Barbie dolls ba ang kailangan mo i-collect? Ang dami naman kasi talagang Barbie dolls eh, nakakatawa. Ang dami niyang characters. So, what character of a Barbie doll you want? Ngayon, ano ba yung pinaglalaroan mo? Si Barbie ba yan? Eto. Si Barbie na nga ito. Sorry, si Barbie na nga yung pinaglalaroan mo. Barbie doll pa rin ang pipiliin mo? Think of for example, we're in a toy kingdom. Syempre, di ba, ang dami mo nakikita doon. What will you choose?
Elsa and Anna.
Dolls.
No. Dolls, you put water and then it has snow.
Oo, kasi wala ka pang Elsa doll, di ba? Yun. Mas good choice yun. Kasi si Barbie, meron ka ng Barbie.
And then, if you shake it, then you put dadamputin mo, may snow.
Talaga. Wow. So, nice. Excited naman ako sa toy na yan.
Bilhin mo na ako bukas.
I'm sure that's very expensive. Mag-iipon muna si Mima.
Ipon ako na mathawa.
Kulang yung pera mo. Meron kasi siyang coin bank eh. Okay lang yan. Puro coins lang yun eh. Napakamura.
My 150. Undo the belly dance. Undo the belly dance.
No, don't spend your money. Your savings mo nga yan eh. Okay. So, she wants Elsa. Dolls yun sila ha. Si Elsa at saka sino yan?
Si pero Anna. Isa lang. Isa lang sila. Hindi sila kasabay.
One doll lang yun.
Sa loob.
Okay. Wish ko rin that for you. Wala pa siyang Elsa and Anna doll. Okay?
Meron dati Anna.
Meron dati ka na nagkaroon ka na nun? May asan yun? Asan si Anna?
Tinapon natin. Nung Christmas.
Medyo yung cheap lang yun. Yung madaling masira.
Binigay ni Lola Popot yun.
Ha? Talaga ba? Asan yun?
Tinapon natin, diba?
Bakit po natin tinapon? Ba't naman natin tatapon yun?
Diba nasira?
Nasira. Okay. Okay. How we wish we can buy that Elsa and Anna doll. And that's all for our video now. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
God bless.